In this video, I'll show you how to pin and unpin items in the Gboard. And I use the Gboard, the Google keyboard, and I like the Google keyboard a lot. This is the Gboard keyboard here. If you want to the Gboard or the Google keyboard, the Gboard or the Google keyboard has options where you can have a clipboard history, and you can enable that feature, but you can also pin things. So this is the clipboard here. This is the clipboard here, and I have clipboard history. When you write some text or you just copy this text and you want to save it for later, with Gboard you actually have the clipboard history, and I'll show you right now with this text. So this is voice typing, and I select the text. Here I choose copy. Once I copied this text, it goes into the clipboard history, and I have it here. I could paste it again from this history, but I want to show you also that you can actually have multiple things. This is the second text. And this is the third text. Okay, so I select the second text, copy. I select the third text, copy. And I go to the clipboard history, and you see there are recents, all three. So I could paste this one. If I want to, I could paste the first one there. And I could even paste the second one and third one and the second, third. It keeps going like this, and it's a really powerful feature of Gboard. I really like this option a lot. But you actually have the pinned history from keyboard. This text here that's in the clipboard history in Gboard, it will go away. I believe it's 1 hour. It stays here about 1 hour and then they go away. But if you want to keep text for a longer time, even until you unpin it, you can pin the text. So here I have, so these are here for longer than just 1 hour. They're gonna stay here until I uninstall the Gboard, or until I do a reset maybe, or until I unpin them. And this is nice to have a template. I use this for templates, fast replies or text like this. I have this is the Google Keep Notes, but this works in any app. It works even in a browser, in any place where you can type with the keyboard, it will work. It will have any place where you need to type something, you will have this clipboard history, which is very handy there. And if I want to pin the second text, I long press on it, and then you see the option for pin. And then you see the recent, this gone from here, but I have it in pinned. So I can still paste it the same way. I can still paste it the same way like that. And I can pin all of them actually. Pin. And this one, I pin it. And if I want to unpin one of them, I will unpin this big one. You again long press. To unpin any of these pinned, to unpin any of the clipboard items here, long press on it, and then you have the option for paste, unpin, or delete. You can even delete it completely. After unpinning, it goes into the recent and it will be cleared automatically. But if you want to get rid of it right now, you can long press and choose delete. And now it's gone completely. This is a very convenient feature of Gboard. I like this a lot, and I will unpin this one also and unpin this one also. It was pinned. So unpin it. And the second text, unpin it. So now these two are going to get cleared and the rest will stay pinned. That's the clipboard history in Gboard, the Google keyboard. Here you can change settings related to Gboard. You can change the language. You can set preferences. There are lots of settings here. I'm not going to go into all the details now, but that's how it works. The pin option, it's a really powerful feature. All you have to do is select the text, copy, and then you have it in the clipboard here, and you can see this one. You can pin it, and you can pin any text. This you can pin any text you like, and it's easy to unpin them. Unpin. I hope this helps you pin and unpin items in your clipboard history on Gboard. Thanks for watching.